Casey with 3756.
That's your Juniora. You nicknamed her. She was the one who made the card from Florida. She did that for the first time.
I love K-Chart.
What kind?
The OP. Team K. Live. Raquel West. Marowena. Timothy Garcia. Kayla Girl. Casey the Princess. Kyle Lee. Colgan.
Her name is Colleen. She's the one who gave you the crop. Matching crop.
Pinayo 8.
Paris.
Kaya Kuma.
Kaya Kuma is here. That's one there.
Hey. Casey for life. Girl Free 31. Jolie. This is Jolie. MSNPJ2.
She always hears the text that she gets from her.
K-Tex.
K-text. She always hears it from her.
K-Tex kasi sa pinapost sa threads.
Cookie Chard. MSG. Miss Jam 25. Mary Joy 92. Full of BB. J-Beth Ramacon. Firefox OK. Star 143. Attic Lurker. Murat.
Murat is here.
From Nueva Vista.
Alright.
Alright. I traveled 9 hours.
Yeah. Talaga?
Yeah. Bumaba ako ng bundok.
Kamusta yung biyahe? Okay naman?
Okay lang, simakatpit ko.
Kailan ka umalis dun?
Yesterday. Nanginginig ako ate. Halata ba?
I am 008 and Lola Benny.
And you forgot Karen.
Karen po.
And then nagpahabol si Mimi.
Mimi.
Yeah.
So sa lahat ng KHRDs, thank you so much. You guys are such a blessing to me and Casey, and you guys add fuel to our passion. So thank you so much.
Wow. Welcome.
We're K-Chart for real for life.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.